Hello everyone, I'm Ava. Today, we are not just reviewing a motorcycle, we are exploring a paradigm shift in the adventure segment. This is the new Ducati DesertX. To understand this machine, you have to look beyond the fairings and into the history of the Paris-Dakar Rally. Ducati didn't just want to build a bike that looked off-road, they wanted to build a bike that lived for it. The DesertX is the first modern Ducati with a 21-inch front wheel and an 18-inch rear, a clear statement of intent. Its design language, which we call post-heritage, draws a direct line from the legendary Cagiva elephants of the late 80s, but infuses it with the surgical precision of 2026 Italian engineering. Every line, every LED, and every bolt has been reconsidered for one purpose: total dominance in the wild. At the core of the DesertX beats the 937 cubic centimeters Testastretta 11 degrees Desmodromic engine. This is a power plant that has been perfected through generations of Ducati's racing heritage. Delivering 110 horsepower at 9,250 revolutions per minute and 92 newton-meters of torque, it provides a linear and predictable power delivery that is crucial when you're navigating deep sand or technical rock gardens. For this iteration, Ducati engineers have focused on tactile feedback. The transmission has been completely re-indexed. The first 5 gears are shorter to give you explosive torque on the trails, while the 6th gear remains a long-range overdrive for crossing continents on the highway. We also see a new magnesium clutch cover and refined internal components that have reduced the engine weight by 1.7 kilograms. It's not just about power, it's about the power-to-weight ratio that keeps you agile when the terrain gets hostile. Now, let's talk about the skeleton of this predator. The DesertX utilizes a high-strength steel trellis frame designed to provide the perfect balance of stiffness and flex. But the stars of the show are the KYB suspension units. Up front, we have 46 mm upside-down forks with a massive 230 mm of travel. In the rear, a fully adjustable monoshock gives you 220 mm of travel. What makes this setup special is the high-speed and low-speed compression adjustment, allowing the bike to soak up small ripples while resisting bottoming out on big drops. With 250 mm of ground clearance, you can clear obstacles that would stop other adventure bikes in their tracks. The ergonomics have been sculpted through thousands of hours of off-road testing. The fuel tank is slim between the knees, the foot pegs are wide and grippy, and the handlebar position allows for a natural standing posture that reduces fatigue during 10-hour riding days. The DesertX is perhaps the smartest off-roader ever conceived. It is managed by a Bosch 6-axis inertial measurement unit, IMU, that constantly monitors the bike's lean angle, pitch, and yaw. This data feeds into 6 distinct riding modes: sport, touring, urban, wet, enduro, and the legendary rally mode. In rally mode, the bike unlocks its full power while minimizing intervention from traction control and wheelie control, allowing experienced riders to slide the rear with precision. The 5-inch vertical TFT display is inspired by rally roadbooks, making it easy to read while standing. It features full connectivity for turn-by-turn navigation and even a desert mode that simplifies the display to only show vital engine data during intense sections. This is where Italian style meets digital battlefield intelligence. The Ducati DesertX is more than just a bike. It is a passport to a world without roads. It proves that you don't have to choose between a beautiful Italian machine and a rugged off-road beast. Ducati has successfully merged these two worlds into one harmonious, high-performance package. Technical excellence, historical respect, and the courage to explore. I'm Ava, and I want to know, where would you take the DesertX? Let me know in the comments below. Stay safe, stay adventurous, and as always,